Douglas Onunga Ogembo, chairman yegeti kia Nyarenda Green Stadium, rekora tournament yo mheshimiwa Festus Mandera Gichava, ya jageto mutinyi komina limo tariki 5. We have hosted the finals for Gichava tournament, which has been very entertaining. The first game was played, the final for women, whereby Kineni women won 2-0 in favor of Nyarenda, because they were playing against Nyarenda women, whom didn't score even a single goal. So Kineni won 2-0. The second finals was was played by Nyarenda FC versus Sengera FC, whereby it has been very competitive. But by the end of the day, the winner must be there, and the winner has emerged to be Sengera FC, which has managed to score 1-0.
Amwagere ngambu yamona tubikira mo twins na twitira mabena maya twikire jinse jiga ngomo za next time akore igana iga na ndakonya bana baito aba support imepira chill reflectors bago trainer challenges injiro safety batale biti baro safety tonyora bana baito mbabwate talents tobalete a field bazo imepira bandira uchigo
awagire sana ase tournament ya yo mheshimiwa Justus Gesha ase atubekere odiga ya December twabe to enjoy ane umuzabanga kiende atubekere ende ekende munekega anda lige tine ne chukwa atubekerani mwazo kina boni seboni ando iwede bia twetire some challenges mpaka tuikira se finali na twanya ikozo kubwate kana asto koruna na wochaga iga chifia gutira wocha ya toberere gasi akimtwanya kwa toko ba ababwibe kombekega
pia si timu chiko sorry nobona bege challenges mwetero na chitimu ne chiriche
mono konyora like ntobwati training ebintu bye training mnemepira chipips chikoni ntomune yitori konyota obwate
sontita saitonkinani. First of all, I want to thank Mheshimiwa Festus ngambu ya mono because egasi ya kolire nengia aso wachakie tournament ya segeti kia Nyarenda. We are happy ase all day yega twachiramo twagosoiri tuomera ni level tubuna basa. I'm happy aso mupira ntoma de ko losing koro no ko winning koro. We are happy to enjoy ro mupira no muyorenge.
Samartangoro kwa masinya kundi. Je captain ya Nyarenda FC. Twagokirene tournament yo mheshimiwa Festus Gichava ya tokozi ne sane ilde yetu aberesiko kumwira ni ngambo ya mano ingakiende talinga nege gyoka kiaba oire otore entrande tournament yende bia mara shama shabiki acha ga nege tikya Nyarenda manake bwate mejano meke buna bono embraya tuete chingoronjire geti amajenaro ubunyansi bado mbra era tournament rogorali ngeta geresi meko bunyansi tournament no ekere waku nyolenga nege strong kere